This is Jonamart and Alex and Myra over there. We're making a vlog out of the toilet. I'm just so manon that even the toilet amazes me. It is so clean and made of really top quality materials. It's not found in the Philippines like this. So let me show you around the Qatari toilet. Very clean. Oh my goodness. I can do a selfie here. It's just so clean. Right, Alex? I am so amazed at how clean their toilet is. It is so unlike in the Philippines. My goodness. Look, it's so clean and fresh smelling. So toilet in Ilonggo is called casillas. And well, the other term would be palamusunan. And because the root word for pooing is pamusun, so palamusunan, a place where you do your pooping, pooing, and then ilihian also. It's from the root word ihi, or to pee. So palamusunan and ilihian, but you can call it casillas for brevity or easier to say, or you can also say CR, comfort room. Look, I am just so amazed at how clean and tidy this toilet is. So there goes your Qatari toilet. Amazing, clean, limpio. Ilonggo word for clean is limpio or tinlo. The opposite of that is higo, meaning dirty, but this is really awesome. It's clean. I can even sleep here, maybe. There you have it, the toilet lavatory casillas. Bye for now.